Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Kawasaki Versys. This is a 650 twin cylinder, liquid cooled with fuel injection. It's an upright sport bike, or it has a bit of an adventure style to it. Long travel suspension, makes a real comfortable ride. This is a great commuter, upright seating position, gives you a really great view of the road. A lot of fun to ride. This bike is in fantastic condition. Only $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. 12,455 miles, just barely broken in. We have financing available, extended service contract, we have insurance. Come by, check it out, take a test drive. Make your motorcycling dreams come true with the 2009 Kawasaki Versys. This one has a couple of neat little upgrades. Guy who had it before was an off-roader, so he put some dirt foot pegs on the bike. Give you more grip on your boot. Come by, check it out. Only $49.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports.